And those who want to see Kim Gardner remain in office are vowing to fight. New tonight, Brent Solomon continues our team coverage. He's live downtown with their reaction to today's decision from the judge.
Well, Mike, the message that's ringing loud and clear tonight from those who are standing by Gardner's side is that this is their prosecutor. They elected her, and they don't want anyone to mess with their vote.
Ain't nowhere in the world Kim Gardner could be held in contempt and go to jail for somebody else not showing up in court.
Standing outside of the Missouri Attorney General's office Thursday, some of the circuit attorney's devout supporters stood their ground.
Hands off Kim Gardner! Hands off Kim Gardner!
They call the effort to remove her from office and the latest decision from a St. Louis judge who moved to hold her in indirect criminal contempt of court because she nor her staff showed up to two separate trials. A political move to see her fail. One supporter even making a comparison to a previous long-term St. Louis prosecutor.
If Jennifer Joyce was in office, and there's no way that those clerks wouldn't have been told to call the Circuit Attorney's office to get somebody in court because we got trial this morning. They didn't weaponize the court system against Kim Gardner. It's plain and simple, and as simple as that.
It comes as a hearing will happen in September to oust Gardner, spearheaded by Attorney General Andrew Bailey, who says Gardner isn't prosecuting cases and is creating a toxic work environment, driving out staff. Right now, her office has two prosecutors to handle 470 cases.
But we also know that in certain school districts, there's a shortage of teachers, to the point where they have to go to 4 days of schooling rather than a traditional 5. We know that there's a shortage of policemen in this city.
For 3 years, this country and the world was paralyzed by COVID-19. There is no courthouse anywhere in this country that doesn't have a backlog of cases that they're trying to clear up.
This weekend, Gardner will hold another public town hall forum to address her supporters. And then next week, they're taking what they call a social justice caravan to Jefferson City to send their message straight to the Capitol. That information is posted for you on KSDK.com. Mike.
Brent, thanks.